Here's what a Harvard cancer doctor eats daily to prevent disease. Dr. William Lee spoke with us on what he eats every day to not only stay healthy but fight off chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Dr. William Lee is a Harvard-educated doctor of internal medicine who has dedicated himself to bridging the gaps between medical treatment and nutrition for 20 years. More than 2 decades of research and experimentation have helped him identify more than 200 foods that actually work with our body's 5 defense systems to fight off diseases like cancer, diabetes, and dementia. From strengthening our microbiomes to helping our body regenerate healthy cells, these foods are seriously powerful and worth adding to our diets. Check out his 5 favorites here. So, what are these special foods a Harvard cancer researcher eats every day, you ask? Luckily, Dr. Lee shared his daily diet with us, and spoiler alert, it actually sounds like a delicious way of living. And you don't have to buy any weird or expensive products to do it. Breakfast. Dr. Lee kicks off each morning with a cup of coffee or green tea. Harvard docs, they're just like us. Lee calls coffee and green tea grand slammer foods, because they activate all 5 defense systems in the body for optimal health. He loves matcha green tea in particular for its extra concentrated antioxidant power. Lee also loves starting his day off with some other grand slammer foods like mango and fresh berries, which he serves alongside a bowl of hearty, high-fiber oatmeal. We think Dr. Lee would love our power-packed berry banana overnight oats or our omega-3 rich orange mango gritty with turmeric and walnuts for a serious anti-inflammatory boost. Lunch. Dr. Lee likes to keep it simple for lunch, often opting for a big leafy green salad, full of nutrient-dense kale, spinach, arugula, or radicchio. He likes to eat something green every day, and yes, avocado counts. Lunch is also a great time for a midday pick-me-up, and Lee likes to serve up some legumes for a boost of plant power. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are loaded with protein, fiber, iron, and a host of other vitamins and minerals. Lee regularly eats lentils with balsamic vinegar, extra virgin olive oil, and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Yum! Try our lemony white bean and arugula salad for a nutritious lunch in less than 10 minutes, or our summery lentil soup, which is perfect for those who prefer to meal prep their lunches for the week. Snack. Dr. Lee is sure to eat a handful of tree nuts almost every day, and his personal favorite is walnuts. Walnuts are full of omega-3 fats, which boost your brain and immune system, and they also are a great source of B vitamins and magnesium. Dark chocolate also makes its way into the mix when Lee needs something sweet in his life. Dark chocolate is another one of his grand slammer foods, and he prefers varieties made with 70% or more cacao. We think our spicy dark chocolate tahini bark would be just what the doctor ordered when craving sweets, pun intended. Dinner. Fish is one of Lee's favorite foods for fighting off disease, and what better way to serve it than with pasta? Lee enjoys a small serving of yellowtail with whole wheat pasta, antioxidant-rich tomato sauce, and garlic scapes with capers and lemon. Lee believes carbohydrates are an important part of fighting off disease, you just have to go for the right ones. Opting for whole grains, fruit, beans, and gut-friendly sourdough bread over refined or processed carbs is key to reaping the disease-fighting benefits. Try mixing up your fish intake with some halibut or sea bass in our Caribbean spiced fish wrapped in banana leaves, and definitely add our one-pot pasta with spinach and tomatoes to your next weekly meal plan. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.